Hello, this weapon here. Today I have this Thirard lock. This one is a Thirard Federal. It's a Federal S. There are various models of Federal. This one is Federal S. You can see it sometimes just as Federal lock, but it's this case it's Federal S. Thirard is a French brand, and usually the keys are bought like this, so you can see the bitting when you buy the lock. So in this case, when I bought this one, I couldn't see the bitting, and as you can see, the bitting is not so great. Now, what's interesting about this lock is that there is a magnet here, and this magnet will be interacting with another pin inside the lock. There's another lock that is very similar to this one. Actually, we would consider this Federal lock a clone of that one. That's the Avoset ABS. So this one seems to be very similar to that one, if not identical. And we'll probably check that out once we get it. But if it is identical, it should have some traps while we try to do a 360 rotation on this one. So you can see right off the bat that we have a pin and pin system here. And that magnet. So let's see if we can pick this. So first thing, if we didn't know where the magnet should go, we'll have to search for the empty chamber. This case is chamber 3. Let's see if we can place the magnet there. Okay, let's see. The magnet will not stick to the walls, so we have to pull the magnet up later with the pick. Now let's see. Let's try the inners. Okay, so now we got the magnet picked there. Everything was picked except the pin with the magnet. I had to adjust the magnet for a little bit. Yeah. Now I got it nearly picked. Just need to see which inner is still causing us to the hold up. Probably it's just the small one. Let's see. Think it's 5. Where's 5? And here we go. Okay, so now we're gonna have traps. Here we go, the first trap. Now the plug is trapped here, and I'm going to show you here on the side. These are probably the pins that are trapping the core, and these are here in the, I would say, first, third, and sixth. So let's see which of them are actually binding the core. Let's say 1. Nothing on 3. And 6. Here. Yeah. Now half trap. Here. Yeah. Got it. And trapped again. Now this one is not a true trap. This is because the trap pins there, you can see, are getting into the keyway. So just need to seal them a little bit. So right there, same here, and same here, because yeah. So now seems like we have another trap here, and these also seem to be in the same places. So let's see. Oh, our magnet came out. Let's see. And 1 and 6, and we're back to the beginning. Yeah, pretty cool. So let's get it. Right, so here's a disassembled lock, Federal S, Thirard, Thirard in French. Someone said that I was saying the French lock name wrong. Sorry, Clef. In this case would be Thirard, probably. Federal S, or Federal S. And so you can see it's a fairly armored cylinder, has this hard steel spine and has this pre-split area here for brake protection, and goes all the way to the plug, which is nice. Not every model does this. And then you have the actual pins. Here on the edges have the traps, and interesting that they are completely exposed. They go straight in here, and the part that we see from the outside is here inside the, let's see, yeah, it's inside the spring. And then we have the key pins. The key pins are pin in pin, as we have seen before with the key. They do not seem to have any kind of milling inside. Nothing. Pretty simple. Pin in pin for this one. So, yeah. And we have the driver pins, and these ones are a bit different from what we are used to see in multi-lock pin in pin. Here even the springs are inside each other, so we have two sets of springs. Let me see if I can, yeah, so see, this goes inside this part, and here we have tin pin. Much simpler than the multi-lock ones. They are not spooled in any way. And finally we got this small pin here that has a tiny spring, and that goes right here. Spring there, and now that spin, and you can see that you have this overset pin. If you put the key inside, Oh, too far. Try again. You put the spring inside, and there you go. So what we were trying to do with this small see if it doesn't fly out before. Wants to get in here. Try to place it in here. So it would stay where it would pull the pin a little bit out. And then I just had to come here with the pin, just pull it down just enough to make it open. Right, so that's how it works. See if this part would be disassembled, but no, this one is fixed here. There's quite a bit of drill protection too. Nice. So that's about it. Oh, and in place of the pin, I have this driver that's just there to allow for that third pin to go up and be pushed up. Yeah. So yeah, pretty nice lock. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Oh, forgot to show you one thing. This little ball bearing here that jumped out when I was disassembling would serve a couple of purposes, but the main one here, because it has a spring, would be to keep the core in a straight position, so it gives core bias. Here. And you can see that it works because there's a cutout there where that ball bearing sits, and it will keep the plug straight when the ball bearing is there. You try to turn the plug a little bit. If you release, it goes back to straight. Really nice lock. Just wanted to add this one. To the info about it. Now, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.